This upcoming summer might be one of the hottest summers that we're going to experience. So one of the best things that you can do before we get there is to have your condenser coils steam cleaned. This right here is your condenser.
And this is your condenser coil.
Over time, your condenser coils builds up with dirt. In New York City, car exhaust, construction debris, and overall poor air quality causes increased dirt accumulation. If your coils get too dirty, they can possibly fail on the hottest days when you need them the most.
ICS provides a solution for this problem though: steam cleanings. We use highly pressurized water steam to clear the coils and reduce the pressure so that your system can function optimally.
This steam cleaner and ICS's trained technicians are the right people for the job to ensure that your system will function as good as possible with these upcoming hot summer days. So contact ICS today and get us scheduled to help your system perform as optimally as possible.